Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today, GIFT Nifty indicated Nifty future opening around 19,800, but it did not open like that. And not only that, it opened lower and then immediately there was some sell off. And Nifty future went to around 19,700 and then market bottomed out and started moving higher. Then after that, it was just only one-way rally. The rally was mainly supported by IT, metals, and auto. And auto stocks, ahead of the results, they've been good. And tomorrow there will be monthly auto sales data. And also the Maruti, the results came after the market hours. The results seems to be good. So therefore, auto stocks may continue to do well. And broader markets, particularly the mid cap index, has done extremely well. So the markets, after correcting nearly 400 points from the recent high, now the rally seems to be resuming. But however, how far this rally can continue, that's a question mark. That's because today Reliance has done very well. So it is only the banking stocks. HDFC Bank has done well, but about other banks. So they have not out underperformed, but equally performed, we can say. So the Bank Nifty, I would say, is still lagging, and HDFC Bank has to cross 1,700 for Bank Nifty to be firmly in the bull grip. So it may take some time, but I'm expecting at least by the end of this expiry, HDFC Bank to cross 1,700. So Kotak Bank was not really very good, but PSU banks are doing well. State Bank of India has done well. I think now State Bank of India is trading very close to or at all-time high. So people will be keenly watching for the results from State Bank of India, which may come in the next 1 or 2 weeks. And not only that, so next week RBI policy is also there, but RBI policy is going to be a non-event. I don't think that given the global cues and local things, so there is going to be any rate increase by the RBI, and it's going to be definitely a pause in the rate hike. So that may be a status quo. So therefore, it may be a non-event. But ahead of the RBI policy, the Bank Nifty tend to be, slightly underperforming. Looking at the open interest, in the first trading session itself, I told you, some people are taking 20,000 short straddle and 19,000 short straddle and 19,700 short straddle. So 19,700, 19,800 and 20,000 short straddle. And the logic behind taking 20,000 short straddle is very simple. 20,000 short straddle, the combined premium was about 550 points. So that makes lower break even at 19,450. Upper break even is 20,550. So broadly speaking, so these people will make some profit if Nifty is trading between 19,500 and 20,500, which is likely to be the case. So of course, when things go wrong, these people will do some kind of adjustments. But for the last 3 trading sessions, without doing any adjustments, so this strategy has been giving some profits slowly. And these people will make money slowly. And they will get the maximum benefit or maximum profit if Nifty closes somewhere around 20,000 by the end of this month. But that will be, it'll be too early to say where the Nifty will expire by the end of this month. So European markets are looking okay and neither too positive nor too negative. And US futures also mixed. I think Dow future and S&P future slightly positive and Nasdaq future slightly negative. But anyway, US markets, especially the Dow was up 14 trading sessions out of last 15 trading sessions. So therefore, some kind of consolidation is good for that market also. And Asian markets all did well today. So we have also done well. So we need to see whether the momentum can sustain, given the fact that FIIs are selling in huge quantities. So at some point of time, so they must stop selling for the rally to continue beyond 20,000. But if they continue to sell at the rate of 1,000 crore every day, I don't think that Nifty can cross 20,000 so easily. So anyway, so corporate results, there are many more corporate results are due, especially PSU banks, and so that may change the direction of the market. So we will see tomorrow. Uh, let us see where the US market closes today, where we are likely to open tomorrow. And until then, enjoy your evening. So I'm on the way back to Chennai. It's slightly drizzling. I stopped my car on the highway just to record this audio. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.